Hey everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex-Stock-Predictions. Hope you're all having a great day. I am the Vortex Trader and today we're on gold. We have a bear flag, or do we? Let's get into it. Okay, so what we are looking at is this, right? We have had impulsive movement down from the commodities market. We have seen nothing but price just fall. The bottom has broken away from underneath our feet and we are falling down, right? Now, what is interesting to know about this, right? Let's head over to the Dixie, the US dollar index. Now, this is the US dollar on the weekly. Okay, look at this range, guys. Look at this range. This range started 8 years ago, 2014, right? We have had price hit, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, and we have finally broken above this resistance last seen for the last 8 years or so. This is why investors are freaking out a bit, right? And this is why we see the commodities market fall. Now, let's jump back into gold. I am going to head to gold on the weekly time frame. Check this out. This is pretty interesting as well. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. Look at this line I have drawn here. Look at this previous support. Do you see how price has tapped this support zone multiple times throughout the weeks, right? This is going back to 13th of April 2020. Look at this, 1 tap, 2 taps, and we can go further. We'll see it more. This was resistance on the weekly, flip to support, right? From early 2020, 1 tap, 2 taps, 3 taps, 4 taps, 5 taps. Okay, these were wicks, but these were areas where price was being supported. This is why when we discuss the bear flag, I'm going to be telling you that this is my target for this bear flag. All right, so let's jump back into the 4-hour. And let me tell you guys how I am analyzing this particular structure and how I'm going to be trading it. All right, so what do I like to look for when we are trading a flag? Now, before I get into it, guys, a flag is nothing more than a cool-off period. It's a trend following pattern, right? This means when we see an impulsive move, let's say we have an impulsive bullish market, right? We have impulsive action moving to the upside. We cannot move up forever. Eventually, we have to cool off just a bit. We have to consolidate just a little bit. Take a breather before we continue for a next leg up. And this area here is our flag. And sometimes it forms and looks like an actual flag. This is why they are such popular patterns to trade, right? We trade them the exact same way, going in the opposite direction. We see impulsive movement. So here we had an impulsive movement. Then we saw a cool-off period here, right? This was our cool-off period, right? It could have even been traded as a flag, right? And then another impulsive move down, right? Now this is what we're seeing right now. We have impulsive movement with strong volume to accompany the impulsive movement. We then have a cool-off period, a consolidating period where price is taking a breather, and then I'm looking for the next leg down. So what do I need to see in order to enter this setup? I need to see price, and remember, this is the 4-hour time frame. I need to see price impulsively break this previous support zone right here. So the very most support point that the flag created when it started, right? The tip of the flagpole. Yes, I need to see price in one candle break away from the flag and close below this flagpole right there, the end of the flagpole. I want to see price close below in one candle. Yes, I also want to see strong volume accompany that move. Then I will look for a small retrace back into the yellow zone, upon which my short entry will be triggered, and I will trade this thing down to previous weekly support. This is on the 4-hour time frame, so it is a swing trade and it could take a while to play out. If I do not see this, I will not be entering. It's as simple as that, guys. If I see a setup, I have to have the criteria met for an entry. I can't just jump in because I think, oh, this looks like a flag. Let me jump in wherever. No. we have to have our entry requirements written down. We have to have our list of rules. You've heard me say it a million times. List of rules written out, a list of criteria written out. Why are we entering into a position? When are we allowed to enter? We follow our rules. My rules say I need an impulsive close below the support zone. I need a retrace up to the support zone. Then I will enter. And should it work, this could be a nice risk to reward of 1 to 5 depending where we place our stop. But if it does trigger, and if we do get this position opened, every Saturday I post a video explaining all the previous trades that have been taken throughout the week. Now, I am a swing trader, so there aren't a lot. There's always a handful, right? At least 1, 2, 3, or 4 trades every single week that I do trade, and you will see them all. And I will be discussing the winners and the losers, right? And it's very interesting to see. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment in the comment section below, and stay up to date with the channel so you can see exactly how these trades play out. Okay guys, so on that note, let me wrap up today's video. I hope you all have a fantastic Thursday. Check us out on social media below. We are on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're on Twitter, we're on LinkedIn, we are everywhere. Remember to hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel, and I will be seeing you all in the next one. See you later.